Hello everyone. In our last video, we had discussed question number 4. So start this video with question number 5. And fifth question is a VCR and TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on VCR and a profit of 8% on TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. For solving this question, first we note all the information from the question, and this question will be solved in two parts. In the first part we will find out the selling price of VCR, and in the second part we will find out the selling price of TV. So it is given in the question that cost price of VCR is rupees 8,000, and when we sold this VCR we gain a loss of 4%. So first we will find out the value of SP. When loss percent is given, then we apply the formula of SP, and this formula is SP is equal to CP multiply by 1 minus loss percent upon 100. Now in this question CP is rupees 8,000, 1 plus loss percent is 4% divided by 100. Then we take LCM of 1 and 100. So we have 100 minus 4 divided by 100, and its answer is 96 divided by 100, and this fraction is multiplied by 8,000. After solving this calculation, we have rupees 7,680, and it is the SP for VCR. Now move to our second portion. In this portion we will solve for the TV, and as it is given in the question that cost price of the TV is rupees 8,000, and when we sold this TV we made a profit of 8%. Now we are going to apply formula of SP when profit percent is given. So this formula is SP is equal to CP 1 plus profit percent upon 100. Then we place all the values from the question, as it is given in the question that CP is rupees 8,000, profit is 8%. So we all know that LCM of 1 and 100 is 100. So first we solve the quantity which are in the bracket. So we have 8,000 multiplied by 108 divided by 100. After solving this portion we have rupees 8,640, and it is the SP of TV. Now it is asked in this question that find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. For find the gain or loss percent in the whole transaction, first we have to find out the total SP and total CP. For find out the total SP, we will add selling price of TV and selling price of VCR. Selling price of VCR is rupees 7,680, and selling price of TV is rupees 8,640, and their sum is 16,320. In this way we can find out the total CP. For this we have to add cost price of TV and cost price of VCR. So its answer is rupees 16,000. Now check. Here SP is greater than CP. So first we will find out the value of profit, and after subtracting CP from SP we have 320. It is the profit in whole transaction. But we have to find out the profit percent. For this we divide profit percent by total CP, and we multiply this by 100. So we have 320 divided by 16,000 multiplied by 100, and our answer is 2%. Now move to our next question. Our next question is, during a sale, a shop offers a discount of 10% on the marked price of all the items. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and two shirts marked at rupees 850 each? So first we write all the information that is given in the question. So marked price of jeans is rupees 1450 and marked price of two t-shirt is 850 multiplied by 2. So marked price of two shirts is rupees 1700. Then we will find out total marked price. For this we have to add marked price of jeans and marked price of two shirts, and it is rupees 3150. Now it is given in the question that shop offered a discount of 10%, and we have to find selling price. For this we apply formula SP is equal to marked price 1 minus discount percent upon 100. Then we put all the values from the question, and we have 2835. It is the answer of this question.